And now we will speak about the 2017 vintage. Our 2017, for the first time since 2011, we do not have problem with frost and hail. In Burgundy, we were very happy with that. It's a normal yield, a normal year. The growing season was very nice, perfect, with a good condition. The summer was hot. Some important decision was very important for me. Two facts. The first one is to decide to do not eliminate the leaf, to keep it, to protect the berries against the sun, to avoid over maturity. And the other fact also was to wait more, because in the philosophy of Bouchard, it's really important for us to express the terroir. And to express beautifully the terroir, we need to have a perfect maturity. That's why it was stressful for me to wait more, to decide to wait before to start the harvest. And finally, we harvest the 4th September for the Pinot Noir, and a little more longer for the Chardonnay, the 6th and 7th September. And today I'm very sure that this decision paid, and that's permit to have a so beautiful vintage. Alors, the style of the vintage for the red wine, personally, it's one of my favorite vintage. I love 17. For the red wine, it's a very beautiful color, a little more light, but the perfume, the elegance of the wine, it's wonderful. The tannin, it's so round. The purity of the aroma, it's really expressive. I love this vintage for the pleasure. And for the Burgundy lover, for the people who love the purity, who love la finesse and l'élégance, it is the vintage for the red wine. And for the white is very beautiful too. 17, it's perhaps between the same expression as 15. It was a hot vintage with a lot of expression, a lot of sun, but with a little more acidity. It's perhaps between 15 and 14. It's a very beautiful vintage for the white too.